What's going on, guys? This is Jared. So this is for all you loan officers out there. Here's a video. This is part of our series where what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be going through YouTube, picking out related videos other people have made that have gotten a lot of views, and we're going to kind of be pulling out the bullshit versus the non-bullshit of what's actually working, what will work for you. This video is going to be talking about mortgage lead generation, how to generate more referrals from your realtors, which is really one of the biggest ways loan officers struggle, especially new ones coming into the business. They feel kind of like it's the good old boys club where the loan officers and the realtors have been working together forever. It's really impossible to break those ties. So this video of what he is going to be talking about is the fastest way for loan officers to get more realtor referrals, part 1. So let's go see this video, see if it makes any sense at all, what the hell he's talking about. And if it does, we'll point out the good stuff. If not, we'll tell you kind of what's working. I will point out that we do already have a proven mortgage lead generation system in place, traffic and a sales funnel that works very well. On an average, we're probably generating well over 100 proven inquiries on a monthly basis. And one of the ways that we do help with that, having a proven system, is you're going to get more realtor referrals. So I'm going to point out what this guy says, and then we're going to see if it actually makes sense.
Where we're going to talk about the fastest, most effective, proven way to get in front of a lot of agents fast and to quickly grow your agent referral partners in 2012. And I got a hint for you. It's not Facebook.
Okay, it's not Facebook. Thanks for the big tip. So that's useless right there. Let's see what else we have to say.
Okay, so stay tuned and check it out.
Alright, let's skip forward to this right here.
Facebook, right? Social media and all that kind of stuff. And listen, I'm here to tell you, I'm gonna be bold, and I'm gonna step out here for a second and say that if you're hanging and banking on Facebook to cultivate and build relationships with realtors, you're wasting your time. Okay? You're wasting.
Alright, so let's just stop right there. This video is old, so I'll give him that, but let's say you did want to come up with a creative way to use Facebook to generate realtor referrals. All you would have to do is set up a Facebook marketing campaign, target realtors. Heck, if you're licensed in the entire state, target realtors in the entire state. Set up a quick video of yourself saying, hey, I'm John Doe, loan officer. I have a mortgage marketing system that I use, and on a monthly basis I generate 50 to 75 mortgage inquiries for purchase leads every month. Now, out of those 50 to 75 leads that come in, maybe 60 to 70% of them are not working with realtors yet. I'm looking for a realtor in your area where I can refer my leads to. Mr. Realtor, are you interested? I will send you these leads for free, no cost. Now, how many realtors do you think would take you up on that offer? You would have realtors banging down your door, basically, to take you up on that. So, again, make a quick video, go to Facebook, target realtors on Facebook, say I have a mortgage marketing system that I'm using on a monthly basis that's generating a shit ton of leads. I want to send you those leads, the ones that are not working with an agent yet. Are you interested? Obviously, everybody's going to say yes. And those realtors that do say yes, what are they going to do? They're just going to send you more leads back to you in return for when they have somebody that needs a loan officer. So right there, I would stop that and say that's totally false. So if you just get creative with your marketing, you can really figure out ways to do anything. He just probably doesn't know how to do it. So let's see what else he has to say.
Wasting your time. Okay? That's it. I said it there. And this may fly in the face of a lot of what you're seeing and hearing out there and being taught, but Facebook is not the place for you to start and begin and cultivate and convert real estate relationships. Okay? That is not where the true connection and trust and affinity is going to be built. I'll tell you where it's going to be built. It's going to be built in your local community, belly to belly, face to face with agents, having a true connection. Not just a conversation, but a true connection and a true, exchange of value.
All right, that's all good, belly to belly. I don't know what the hell he means by that, but connections are good. You have people like you, whatever. What people really care about is what's in it for them. They don't care how long you've been in business. They don't care how big of a team you have. They want to know how many leads you can send them, how much money you can make them. So the easiest way for you to get more realtor referrals is to send them leads. That's it. That's the only thing you should be focused on. Connect with them, yeah, get to know them, etc. Make sure they're not a total fucking idiot. But before you're sending leads to them, obviously qualify them a little bit. But the easiest way, whether you've been a loan officer for 1 day or for 20 years, is just send them more leads. And the best way to do that is have a proven lead generation system of your own. And when you pre-qualify people, you ask them, are you working with a realtor? The leads that we generate for people, probably 50 to 75% of them are not working with a realtor yet. So we just indirectly, our loan officers that we help market, indirectly we're helping them grow their realtor referral basis because they're just sending those leads out. So that's honestly the easiest way to grow your realtor referral basis. So let's see what else he has to say here.
Being added. Now, with that said, Facebook has its place, don't get me wrong, but for you originators who are watching this and being sold that bill of goods that, hey, all you got to do is, share a bunch of content on Facebook, it's not going to happen. And you're probably nodding your head up and down saying, yeah, what really?
All right, we already went over that, so there's obviously a way if you wanted to do this and reach every realtor in your state, just set up a quick video. Obviously, we just went over that. You could do that. You'd have a lot of realtors reaching out to you.
Relationships have you gotten from Facebook?
Let's forward this.
I'd love to hear 12 and both. Well, with real estate, you get up into the top 10% and above of super, mega agents who are doing a large share of the business. And we'll talk about that in future episodes. But number one, you got to get in front of agents. And again, I'm not talking about on Facebook. Get off of Facebook. Get out in your local community.
All right. First of all, get in front of agents. Yeah, thanks for the helpful tip. No one wants to go out and network for another 60 hours a month or 20 hours a week. You don't have time as loan officers to do that. I've talked to hundreds of loan officers. Not one person likes to go to endless, boring networking events. So if that's your idea of building referrals and you want to spend, your time is money. So at least $100 an hour. So if obviously you're spending 60 hours a month just going out and getting in front of people and having the same conversation the other 500 loan officers that met with the realtor before that is having, that's up to you. Have a crack at it, have a blast. But if it was me, I look for a way to automate this process, not have to leave my office. So you can go out and get in front of people if the opportunity presents itself, but I would much rather figure out an automated way to generate my own leads for myself, refer things out, and just have them sending leads back. And you could do this all with a phone call, a Skype. Maybe you're at a local networking meeting every now and then. But guys, I don't think you want to be spending hours going out and meeting people.
If I could reach through the camera and just wake up, okay? Number one, you got to get in front of agents. Number two, what's the next step once you get in front of agents? You got to qualify the agent, right? How do you know this agent is the right agent for you? How do you know what the production?
All right, if it's the right agent for you, they send you somebody who needs a loan. That's how you know it's the right agent.
Is. How do you know if they're a buyer's agent or a listing agent, right? Might be useful to know. By the way, to be truthful, say to them, but you can't together. This is the only way that this works successfully, is you have a process for getting in front of agents, you have a process for qualifying those agents to determine if it's the right fit for you, and then thirdly, you have a process for converting. That means once you leave that meeting, right, if you haven't converted and reached an agreement, a commitment from that agent that you're going to now engage and move forward and engage in some activities, helping them qualify some buyers, some co-marketing activities, maybe, hosting different things together, cross.
All right, so we'll give them that one. So that's a good tip. Obviously, you want to be able to convert that meeting, that relationship, whether that was in person or you set it up. Basically, you want to come to an agreement and say, hey, listen, if I'm sending you leads, you're going to send me leads back, right? So you want to come to an agreement. Now, this is really a no-brainer, but I would definitely say before you leave that meeting or you talk to them on the phone, do have that agreement in place where, like, listen, if I can send you a majority of my leads, how many are you going to send me back? So obviously that's an important fact, but obviously I think it's a bit of a no-brainer. But honestly, guys, the easiest way for you to generate more leads, referrals from your either existing base or to build new ones. So let's say you have 5 agents and they all send you maybe 1 or 2 a month. Now, to get another 1 or 2 in additional out of those agents, the easiest way to do that, just send them more leads. That's the only thing you have to do. Now, to do that, you have to have a good automated marketing system in place to make sure you have enough leads coming in. That's what we can help you with. We already have a proven system that we use to generate the right type of traffic, and we have proven landing pages for purchase, VA, refis, and a reverse one coming out that converts that traffic really well. And one of the questions is, when people submit the form, is, are you working with a realtor, yes or no? And obviously the ones that say no, that just solved your problem right there of how to get more realtor referrals. So we're going to stop this video right here. Somehow the guy's got like 37,000 views on his video. So it seems like a lot of loan officers are looking for ways to basically get more realtor referrals. But I hope I gave you some actually working insight to the easiest way to get more referrals out of your realtors. Now, most loan officers don't have that system in place. They either depend on buying maybe shared leads off of Zillow or Trulia or things like that. So if you are looking for a proven way to grow your business, your mortgage business, we have that system already in place. It takes none of your time. It's all on autopilot. It'll solve the problem of getting exclusive leads for your mortgage business and also solving the problem of getting more realtor referrals. So I'll include a link at the top of the video, in this video right here. You'll see in the top right corner, or just go ahead in the description below. You'll see a link where you can learn more about our proven mortgage marketing system. And also, if you enjoyed this video, you got some value out of it, like and subscribe to my channel for more to come. Take care. Nice talking to you.